We have the project going. As we were saying in the last video, we wanted to go to the fuel station, but it was not possible because we still have problems starting the car. Nuts was start to fail, so now we cannot start the car, and I have been checking all around what is the solution. And inside the ECU you need to remove this middle chip. So I don't know if it's safe or not, so we will try to remove this and try to start again the car and avoid this kind of system. So if you have this kind of problem, that your car is not cranking at all, it's not working, and you don't know why, and you have these nuts, I will recommend you, if this is working, also to remove it. As you can see, it was pretty easy to remove this chip in the middle. We don't know if the ECU is gonna be missing something or not, but let's check it out.
Get you, Rocky.
The Nissan anti-thief system is already deactivated, but that's not the only problem. The relays are not working and we cannot start the car with the key. We're gonna try to hotwire the car and try to force to start like this. The idea is to add a button to start the car and avoid the key.
Vamos. After one day fighting with the car, trying with the cable, trying a lot of testing, you saw me out removing the piece of the ECU and everything. We fixed it finally, and the solution that we find is just make cables independent from the starter. So instead of starting with the key, we're gonna be starting with the push button, and that's it. So for the moment, we will go to put some fuel, and hopefully the car is behaving good. Everything that can have the car, like thinking, all the small things, you know, that can be quite a lot.
Right.
So it's like magic. Driving the own car that you have been building is like crazy. Yeah.
Get you up. Peekaboo.
We have the project going, and as you can see, it's looking really crazy, the car. We didn't make the design yet, but the Nissan Silvia is just magic. It's a lovely car. So now we're gonna make some checks. We're gonna go with the car around, check that everything is okay.
Yo, get the speaker box loud, hitting that stuff till you hearing that sound.
So we are having a problem with the idle, that the car is stopping itself. We have this rubber problem as well, that is a piece of shit. As you can see here, the hole was too big, so we tried to put a rubber, but it's not going. So before killing anyone, we need to try to fix that thing. This is making quite a lot of noise still, so we need to check.
¿Qué pasa?
The bearing of the clutch is saying goodbye. So when I press, it's getting stuck. So we will need to remove the gearbox. So that means we almost need to remove the engine to change that bearing.
Good luck to us.
Yeah.
Next video gonna be full of surprises. Comment down below if you also think that is the bearing of the gearbox what is making the noise, or if you have another idea what it could be.